This is for. What are you talking about?
Wait, let Jake
got some
see
wine?
what it's for.
You shouldn't have.
Who's this for?
It's gonna be nice and quiet later.
They'll be sleeping.
Four.
Ooh.
Four. So that's for Ian. And who's this for? Now.
And what do you say? What do you say?
What do you say?
That's for
You're
Matthew.
welcome.
Ian, give that one to Matthew.
Corinne.
Yeah, you go give that to
What a
me.
nice bag.
I like those bags. I
Oh.
Is it champagne?
Did you get alcohol?
Is it champagne? Ready, guys?
Open it up.
Wait, last call for alcohol.
1, 2, 3. Open up. Yay, blue paper. Oh, best gift ever. Oh, I love it. Best gift ever.
No way.
And he's eating it.
What is that?
What is
Oh.
that?
Best gift ever, that's right.
It's a hockey shirt.
Helicopter.
Ian,
What is that, Jakey?
cool. This is yours.
Wait, Jakey, let me see the shirt.
Say.
Ian, it matches your pants.
Jakey,
It matches your pants.
Jakey, come
What do you
here.
say?
What is that?
Oh, no, Poppie.
Look what's on the shirt.
It matches his pants perfectly.
All right.
Come here, wait. It's a train.
Well, let me see.
Wait.
Oh, cool. What a
Jakey,
nice
what do you
train.
say?
Alphabetical order.
Go say thank you.
Here, give me the flowers. Yeah, we need a big glass.
Oh, watch.
Well, everybody's got to take a
Ian,
turn.
come
Sit
here.
down.
Come here.
No, that's my TV side.
All right, so who's first? Daddy, Al?
Me?
You're going to give your...
Dina.
Who did you buy your presents for? I'll go